Cajun salmon tacos. Outstanding, clean and delicious. Hi guys, today I'm making my favorite Cajun salmon tacos. These are packed with flavor, they're well balanced, healthy, nutritious, delicious, and just a wonderful way to eat. And this is made in about 10 minutes, so absolutely outstanding. Right, we've got one large corn tortilla, a kiwi, some cherry tomatoes, a spring onion, a fresh lemon, an avocado, and some fresh mint. Let's get straight into it. Right, I've got a beautiful fresh salmon fillet here. Let's just take the skin off here by just running our knife. So just go into it a little bit and get your knife down to about there, and then just going to slide your knife through. So you should be left with this piece of skin here, which I normally discard. I'm not really too fond of it. However, Jamie Oliver crisps it up in the pan and he says that it's delicious once it's crisped up, so let's give it a go. It's good enough for Jamie Oliver, it's good enough for us. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slice this salmon in half before I season it, and this is just going to help us make sure it cooks quicker. Okay, so once you've got these two little fillets of salmon, you know they're going to cook a lot quicker, so let's give them a good season. Right, I'm going in with some Cajun seasoning. Love Cajun salmon, and this is packed with like oregano, chili, paprika, some garlic, really good stuff. So I'm going to give this a really generous season. And then we're just going to tap it down slightly, and we're just going to make sure you mop up the other side of the salmon with all the leftover seasoning so that you get both sides fully seasoned up. Right, touch of olive oil in the pan just to coat the pan. Give it a little circle, and you're going to go straight on with our salmon, which has already been seasoned with that Cajun, and just give it a go. And we're going to place in our salmon skin, which Jamie Oliver swears by, and that's just going to do its thing for a few moments. Right, while my salmon's cooking, I'm just going to prepare my other ingredients. So I'm going in with some kiwi. Jamie Oliver uses mango, but he says you can also use kiwi or pineapple. So I've got kiwi today, which I'm just going to peel. I love kiwi, don't use it enough, so I thought, right, I've got an opportunity to use it now. I'm just going to go straight down the center and then do nice thin slices. And I'm going to do the same thing with my avocado. Place it down, put your knife straight through your avocado, and wait till you get to the pip, to the stone in the middle, and then just work your avocado around. And once you've done one full circle, it will just fall out straight like that. Then, if you're good, then it should just do that. And I'm just going to get my avocado, and I'm just going to run a spoon through the side, right? Nice and easy. And it should just pop out like that. And then I'm going to put it flat side down, right? And I'm just going to make, again, beautiful avocado semicircles. Okay, I'm just going to flip this salmon. Oh, it's breaking up slightly, which is fine. It's going in a taco, so that's fine. On second thoughts, I'm just going to get my slice like this. It'll be easier. Oh, it looks immense. We're almost done here with our salad. What I am going to do is just get a fresh hit of lemon juice and just give my kiwi, my avocado, and my tomatoes a good hit with the fresh lemon juice, followed by a bit of salt on my tomatoes and my spring onions. Give them a good toss like this. Beautiful. And that's it. Everything's kind of ready now for my salmon. Right, my salmon's done, and I'm just going to place it on the board just to let it rest. Now I'm going to leave this skin in the pan for just a while longer because I don't think it's anywhere near as crispy as enough. My salmon skin is crisped up. That actually took a lot longer than what I expected for it to get crispy, so it better taste good. In order for me to actually go to the trouble to do that again, it better taste good. Right, I'm just going to empty out some of this like leftover oil from this pan quickly. Okay, so I've removed a lot of the oil from my pan, and I'm just going to place my corn tortilla into the same pan just to pick up some of that flavor from the pan, some of that Cajun spice, but at the same time I just want to warm it through, and then once that's ready I can start plating up. It's really important to put the tortilla back on the heat. It just kind of brings it to life. A lot of people just have it cold, which is fine if you're in a hurry or whatever, but if you've got 2 minutes, put the tortilla back on the heat, softens it up, and it just gives it it just kind of brings the whole thing back to life again. Nice warm tortilla on the board. That tortilla's picked up a lot of that Cajun seasoning, so it's going to be delicious. Right, let's start off by placing our beautiful Cajun salmon. Just looks immense. Onto our seasoned tortilla. Let's put a couple of pieces on like that. Tomatoes and our spring onions. Beautiful. Our lovely kiwi, and then our silky, delicious avocado. And then, like Jamie Oliver style, I'm going to finish off with some of this salmon skin, which I'm just going to slice up like he did. It's got a nice crunch to it, and let's see if that adds any texture or flavour to the dish. I've never had it, so let's see how it goes. All right, finally, let's finish off with some fresh mint and just a final hit of fresh lemon juice, just to give everything that final delicious kick. And there you have it, my perfect, quick Cajun salmon tacos. Outstanding, clean, and delicious. That looks wonderful and vibrant. Right, let's get stuck in. Right, just wrap this beautiful thing back up. Oh, it looks outstanding. Just the colours alone. What can I say? It's a really good mouthful of food. Well balanced, citrus, you've got the creaminess from the avocado, sweetness from that kiwi, spiciness from the Cajun salmon. It's really good, really well balanced. This is how I like to eat. Well balanced, healthy and nutritious. Okay, so I just tasted a bit of that crispy skin. Oh my God. Jamie Oliver knows what he's talking about. It does add something to it and it is packed with flavour. I'm going to do that more often now. Okay guys, whatever you do, you've got to try this one at home. It takes 10 minutes to make. It's packed with flavour, it's well balanced, yeah, and it's nutritious. And do that crispy skin, it's a showstopper. Guys, this isn't just delicious, it's absolutely effing delicious. Brilliant. I'm well happy with that.